frames in HTML or web pages. What are frames? Frames are used to divide the web page into 2 sections or 3 sections, and each section or part will contain a page, a different another page. Okay, so we will see now how we will do this. With frames, you can display more than one HTML document in the same browser window in the same page. Each HTML document is called a frame, and each frame is independent of the others. The frame set tag, which is the frame of frames, the frame set tag defines how to divide the window into frames. Each frame set defines a set of rows or columns. The values of the rows columns indicate the amount of screen area each row column will occupy. The frame tag defines what HTML document to put into each frame. In the example below, we have a frame set with 2 columns. The first column is set to 25% of the width of the browser window. The second column is set to 75% of the width of the browser window. Okay, the HTML document frame HTML document اللي هي النيم بتاعها frame underscore a.htm or the address. Okay, and this is located in the folder of the website of some website. Okay, or the same website. Okay, so he is calling this page and put it in the first one, which is the quarter of the page. Okay, is put into the first column, and the HTML document اللي هي التانية the second one اللي هي الادرس بتاعها frame underscore b.htm. الفايل دوت موجود برضو inside the folder of the website. It will be put into the second column, which is the third quarters of the page. Okay, اللي هو الواخد التلات ارباع بتاع البيج الباقية. الفريم set syntax are written in this form. So we have the start and the close tags in red color, and what in green, which is the ratio of division. This is attribute. This name is calls and the values here. Then we have 2 frames, which was tag frame. So frame set is the group of frames, and it inserted with or filled with frames اللي هو الفريم الأولاني اللي هو الفريم دوت اللي هو we will put in it frame underscore a.htm, and the other one will be included with frame underscore b.htm. Thanks for listening.